everybody, I'm back and super excited to show you this opportunity kit that I had mentioned earlier. So this is the Fan Faves on the go, and I'm loving these new spring prints. So let's check it out. All that's included, this was a $99 kit, and she got to pick out her prints. She got to pick out personalization on some of these items. So it's super cool. Back 10 years ago when I got my kit, it was just a stationary kit. I didn't get to pick prints or products or anything. Oh, I can't get that to work. This is the Essential Storage Tote. Fun personalization for Valentine's Day, if you can see that. And this is in the new, I don't have all the names mastered yet. This is in the new pink ombre. So look at that. So one of our top sellers. In fact, the items in the kits, in all four of these kits, tend to be the top sellers, just to help you in your business. So this is the new Voyager tote in line drawn flowers. I love this. I love the fabric. The print is probably my all-time favorite in the 10 years I've been doing 31. So look at this. This is nice. It's roomy. It's got a pocket here. It's got a zipper pocket here. And look inside. You've got several pockets inside. This is going to be the perfect carry-on. So look at that. And something else I wanted to show you is our prints and patterns are designed to go together, because not every product comes in every print, but doesn't that go nicely together with the pink and all the different shades? So keep that in mind too as you're putting together your shopping list, how these prints work together. So this is hanging traveler case, one of everybody's faves, I know. This is in the worn check. Let me show this to you. So the hanging traveler case, oh, and look at the personalization. I just did a simple heart for her because she wanted to keep this one simple. What's great about our travel items is they're just thought through really well. So, you know, when you travel, cruise, hotel, sometimes you have really limited counter space, and it makes it nice that this will hook onto the towel rack, to the shower rod, and it saves that space that sometimes you so desperately need. This is gonna hold larger size items also. Clear pocket here, and then there's some mesh pockets in here. And that is the hanging traveler case. Let me just shake this. I love how everything just goes nicely together. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so this is the new fold over lunch thermal. And look at this, everything, it's all thermal lined. This is a great size. It's an adjustable size because you can adjust it here depending on how much you're packing on the go. And it has a little handle right here. One of our most popular selling thermals right now. All this, you guys, $99. So we also have some Valentine bundles that you guys should check out, all 40% off. But this is one of those fun Valentine prints. This is a zipper pouch. These are great for storing those smaller items to help keep you organized. It's lined inside, and can you see the hearts and how pretty that is? I just love it. Okay, all about the Benjamin's wallet. Do I need to even show this, you guys? Best wallet ever, ever, ever. This holds so much. I love the two-tone inside. It's got a place for your credit cards here, a pocket here, place for, I keep my change in the zipper, and then another place for credit cards. So pretty, so pretty. Honestly, best wallet ever. I love mine. I have it in probably 10 different prints. So if you are in the market for a new wallet, this is my top pick for you. With some brochures, it comes with mini catalogs, and it comes with a pack of catalogs. So I'm gonna have to get those back to her. And of course, no kit would be complete without the large utility tote. You can't have too many of these. Can you tell that she got to pick out her prints when she got the opportunity kit? And can you tell she loves this print as much as I do? So one more thing I wanted to show you just real quick is we have a hostess exclusive. It's the large en route luggage bundle. So it's a nice large suitcase. It comes with a luggage tag that you can personalize. So that's always nice. It is TSA locking, and it has USB ports. So this Voyager tote is gonna fit nicely over this handle so that you are good to go. And look how that spins. Can you see that? I've got the counter in the way probably. But look at these wheels in motion. This is gonna be such a great travel bundle. Get the hanging traveler case in here, and you got quite the bundle. So keep in mind that when you spend $50, you can get 31% off any retail item. If you have any questions about the opportunity, I would love to talk to you. I have so much fun working with personalization, so if you have questions, I am your girl. I'm here to help you, and just let me know what you need. If you have any questions, please reach out. Okay, thanks everyone.